Welcome, aspiring Python programmers. I'm Ali. Operators are essential components of any programming language. They allow you to perform various operations and make your code dynamic and efficient. In this video, we'll explore the different types of operators in Python, and we'll provide real-world examples to illustrate their usage. Let's start with the arithmetic operators. Python provides operators for basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo, exponentiation, and floor division. And imagine a grocery shopping list. You use arithmetic operators to calculate the total cost of items, subtract discounts, and multiply quantities. Let's start with a practical example of arithmetic operators in Python. And here we perform various arithmetic operations. We add 50 and 30, subtract 10, multiply by 5, divide by 2, find the remainder, raise to the power of 2, and perform floor division by 3. These operators allow you to perform basic mathematical calculations in Python. Next, let's discuss comparison relational operators. Python allows you to compare values using operators like equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than, or equal to, and less than, or equal to. Consider a thermometer. You use comparison operators to check if the temperature is equal to, greater than, or less than a specific value. And now let's explore comparison operators with a real-world example. In this code, we compare a temperature value to various conditions using different operators. We check if the temperature is equal to 25, not equal to 30, greater than 20, less than 30, greater than or equal to 25, and less than or equal to 20. These operators return either true or false based on the comparisons. Moving on to assignment operators. And Python uses assignment operators to assign values and perform operations simultaneously. Imagine a fuel gauge. You use assignment operators to add fuel with plus equals or subtract fuel due to usage with minus equals. Let's continue with assignment operators and their practical usage. In this example, we start with a variable total set to 100. We then use various assignment operators to modify the total value. We add, subtract, multiply, divide, calculate the remainder, raise to the power, and perform floor division. These operators combine assignment and operation in one step. Now let's dive into logical operators. Python's logical operators and, or, and not are used for combining and negating conditions. Think of a decision-making process. Logical operators help make choices based on multiple conditions. Now let's explore logical operators with a practical example. In this code, we have two conditions, is sunny and is warm, both set to true. We use the AND logical operator to check if both conditions are true, and if so, we print a message. Logical operators help make decisions based on multiple conditions. Next, we have bitwise operators. Bitwise operators allow you to manipulate individual bits of binary numbers. Consider computer hardware. Bitwise operators are used for low-level operations like hardware communication. Let's delve into bitwise operators with a real-world analogy. In this example, we use binary numbers. We perform binary AND or XOR, not left shift, and right shift operations on two binary numbers. Bitwise operators are often used for low-level operations in fields like computer hardware. Let's explore membership operators. Python's membership operators in and not in help you check if an element is present in a sequence such as a list. Think of a membership card scanner. These operators determine whether someone is a member or not. Now, let's discuss membership operators and their real-world comparison. In this code, we have a list of membership card holders. We use in and not in operators to check if specific names are members or not. These operators work with sequences like lists. Finally, we have identity operators. Python's identity operators is and is not checked if two variables reference the same object in memory. Imagine keycard verification. Identity operators verify if two cards are the same or different. Lastly, let's explore identity operators with a real-world example. In this code, we have two variables, card1 and card2, referencing the same list. We use the is and is not operators to check if they reference the same object or different objects in memory. These operators deal with object identity. That's a wrap on operators in Python. These operators are the building blocks of programming, enabling you to create dynamic and functional code. We hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of how to use them in your Python projects. Explore the topic thoroughly and complete practice exercises by visiting our notebook on Google Colab and GitHub. Don't forget to check the description box for the link. See you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel.